Where's my, oh, I might have deleted it.
Order canceled.
Good morning. Did I not put my Pink Panther on here? Alright, I'll put this one on this. Or you know what? Maybe I'll just put the waves on it. Alright, I think market just opened. Oh, no, wait. I have 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. We'll keep it like that. Okay. Let me share this with the group. Good morning, Lewis. Not yet. Nice shot, Brian. Did I put that in there? Good job, Charlie. Listen, sometimes it takes folks longer than others. Also, let me put up the disclaimer really quickly. I'm going to go fill that gap. It's not 9:30 yet, so we need to hold our horses. We're too close not to. All right, trading is risky. Make sure you understand. I'm going to get on TikTok in a second. And if you have any questions, put them in the chat. If you want to read this fully, go to my website, boldanalysis.com/disclaimer. It talks about all the hypotheticals and kind of what we do here, and that trading is very risky. So, good morning, Glaze. Please make sure you hit that thumbs up as you come in, so I don't have to put commercials on this video because nobody likes commercials. All right, very much so. Very much so. I can tell, Christopher. All right, did I write down? Okay, I need to put that in my laptop. We'll do that in a bit. Also, Apex is doing a 90% sale. If you aren't aware, there is a 90% sale happening at Apex right now. The market's opening in 2 minutes. I'm going to get on TikTok. It's for 2 weeks, and it's a big deal because you have a lot of time to honestly get some accounts, pass some evaluations, and if you bust some, just get some more, because 2 weeks is a good amount of time to really get settled within 5, 10, 15 accounts from Apex in that funded section, and then you can utilize that. My Wi-Fi is acting funny. So yeah. And at the beginning, like now, as things are, you can turn this around. Let me go live. As it is currently, you can kind of do a little bit of crazy stuff at the beginning. Like, I don't really promote YOLOing, but you can run it on either increased contracts or a situation maybe where you're a student of mine and you're manually trading with larger sizing. You can do that during the evaluation phase, because if you bust that account, you're losing $17. Now, if you're really tight on funds and that $17 means a lot to you, then maybe don't YOLO, but a lot of people are, so we'll just keep that in mind. I'm going to take this NQ out of here. All right, cool. I had removed the strategy, but it didn't actually say. So overnight, we had a lot of great trades. ES Knight had a long and a win here at 4180. NQ Early had a long and a win over here at 14320. So 2 for 2 overnight on those. Also on zones down here, ES Night Zones had a win early at the beginning of the night down here for $250. And then NQ Night also had a win last night. So 4 for 4 overnight, 2 NQ wins, 2 ES wins. And now we're starting the day off strong. It's 9:30. Let's see if we get the student play
Order submitted.
that we want. YM is in a long on waves. We'll see about that. I'm going to let that do its thing. This is so pretty. I'm really excited for this student call. So make sure you, Jen is not going to be on here because she is super busy today, but let me push the share button on all this. Can someone share the TikTok link in the group, please? Because if not, then no one knows how to get here for some reason. I'm not, like, if you follow me and you go to your inbox or your followers, it will show me at the top that I'm live with anyone else that's live. YM is green, $120 on this long. 145.60. We'll watch this for a minute. $170 on this long. I'm going to move this over here while we're watching this trade. If you guys want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Please say good morning in the chat. And if someone can share that link in... Oh, somebody did. Thank you, Tony. Thank you so much. Because Jen is away this morning. Jen's going to be doing an 8:30 p.m. live tonight. 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So set your alarms. Put a reminder somewhere in your live. And, yep. They were 2 for 2 overnight, Cheyenne. Very good. Green, $260. Guaranteed green on this YM long now, $275. Did my students see that fake out?
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, YM took profit there. Green, $215 on that trade. We will move back over here now. Did we fill? We filled a little bit of this gap, but we still have a good amount to fill. So we'll see what happens here on NQ.
Order
if you have
filled.
any questions, please put them in the chat. I'll answer them. 8:30 p.m. is past some of y'all's bedtimes. Yeah, mine specifically. You did not listen at all. Didn't want to call you out loud. It's definitely me. It's not. I got in bed last night at 9:45, but then I didn't actually go to sleep until like 1 a.m. So whatever that was about. It's okay to be second in line. Okay, my tea is like freezing now. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, showing you my auto trading algorithms on the futures market. This platform is NinjaTrader. We also utilize Apex, which is a prop firm. It allows you to trade futures with no cash commitment. So you don't have to put any of your own cash up. There is no real risk to you. Right now, Apex is doing a 90% sale. So you can get a $50,000 cash account for $17. Go to their website, apextraderfunding.com. Put in the coupon code SAVE90. Don't spill it. It's not even hot. I'm so sad. Oh, good. Nice thumbs up. Hey, I'm signing up today. If I get multiple Apex accounts, is there a way to have them all connected? Yes. Connected or copy the trades between them. Yes, Christian, there is. Once you join, we can go into detail about how you do that, but absolutely, there is a way to do that. Yes, thank you for the follow, Christopher. So, very close to filling the gap, but not fully. Not fully. So, but if it comes out here, I might like to take this. All right, so ES zones overnight 1-for-1, NQ zones overnight 1-for-1, YM waves 1-for-1 so far. Oh, also I need to pull up my other VPS because, and she I think kicked me out, but I'm gonna
Order submitted.
Submitted. Oh, ES early. ES early is in a long. See if we can push up here a little bit and go back and fill the end of this gap on NQ.
Target filled.
Target filled. My little buttons are turned off. I need to turn them on. And I gotta turn this one on. NQ early, ES early hit. That is the apples. Let's get some apples in the chat. Oops, I was just typing NQ early. ES early, 1-for-1. Let's go. So ES overnight 1-for-1. ES this morning 1-for-1. NQ overnight 1-for-1. We haven't had an NQ early trade. So this was I gotta focus this up. This was the ES early trade. Went right up there, turned around. See Charlie on the live. I remember when Charlie joined, he was like, well, why are your targets the way they are? And I'm like, you'll see. Just give it a little bit of time. You'll notice. I'm doing a giveaway in the group for a free week of premium. You have to have a picture, your name. If it's super common, like Brian or Chris or Bob or whatever, has to have a last initial, because I'm so sick of, like, I'll go to start a direct message, say with like a John. There's like 75 Johns. So either put your whole last name, but if you don't want to do that, just put an initial, or make your username a nickname. I don't, like, you could, your nickname could be like Bacon Eater or something. I don't care. I need to differentiate the Johns and the Bryans and the Chris's and the Bobs in the group. Good. Good boy. Good boy. It's only at 7:50. We need some more taps. Hello, Egan broke. Can I use USA? What? Hi, is your name Egan? I don't know what CFDS is. Now we're gonna have 12 bacon eaters in this. Right. Looking for potential gold buzz. All right, Jamie. All right. We need tap more. I need like 10K. Y'all are not doing a very good job of tapping the screen today. Anyway, so what was I saying before that? I was also saying, so Apex is doing a 90% sale. Christian said just signed up, looking forward to it. Awesome. Irma will answer those questions for you. So when you join the group, I have 2 admins. Amy will get you fully set up in the group. She handles all the billing, all of the technical side. And then Irma is my onboarding specialist. So when you come in the group, she's going to welcome you. Amy is also, look at her. Amy is also going to be the one. I need to get my other one up. How did that YM pink end up? Because see, it closed it. Is she in here right now? YM pink ended up green $120 and not in any other trades right now.
Order filled.
Fuck, I just realized something. Sorry. Sorry for the cursing. Fuck.
Order filled.
Okay, I fixed it. I fixed the thing. Let's see if we can break 400 here. As I was saying, sorry, Irma is the onboarding specialist. She'll make sure your charts are set up properly, that you understand what's happening. I'm in this short green $60, $390, $480, $500 on that short. That was the manual play that was given in this student call. I just got in. The thing that I did mistakenly at first was I got in on micros and not minis, and so then I had to grab my mini chart. All right, so I just made $500 on that short. I hope my students got it, and it's still running. My trail was just too close. Premium is good, and I hope you got that short. I hope you didn't miss the short because you're tapping on. Sure thing. Welcome back. Happy to have you. All right. Hey, guys.
Order submitted.
just do that going forward.
Order submitted.
Yo, so the drop from 30, 40 points now on that student drop. Who got that? Who got the play? Mike said perfect, easy 30 points. Who else got it? I want. Every time it pulls back, I add. Kenny, the secret sauce. The secret sauce. Caught the short because I was patient. I'm so proud of you, Chris. Premium is a extra set of algorithms that are given to someone that signs up for premium. So on the standard algorithm,
Order submitted.
target filled. What was that? Yes. RTY. I literally have no idea. I got targets filled. Oh shit. And YM is back in another long here on waves. Also, gold had, okay, sorry, let me show you. This is bold range at the top. Bold range is, you missed it, Kyle. Why? Bold range is the standard algorithm. There's two algorithms that are included in the standard subscription. It's bold range and scalper. So you get access to both of those. But if you want to upgrade to premium, it is $500 more per month, and you get 5 to 6 extra algorithms that you can use. So, yes, I see MQ early in the trade, which I'm fine with. But I was trying to find what hit target. Something hit target. I need to open up this again.
Order filled.
I'm in a short again. Green $160. I'm trying to see if it was here. Let's see if we can stay under this 400 and go back down. What's the top of that? 415. 420. 420. That should have been easy to remember. All right, let's go back down. Back down.
Order filled.
I extended it to the chop zone. Oh, and now she let it cut it. Santa hit target. Santa doesn't have a target. You mean the trail? How much did Santa make? LP said I was making breakfast. Y'all, you shouldn't be doing anything. You shouldn't be doing anything if you're a student of mine during 9:30 to 11:30. Like, that's ridiculous. Unless it's like, you know, your child is crying or your job or something like that. Jared got it. Adrian got it. Let's drop back down. We got to get back below 400. Is she out? Let me know when you're out. Good morning. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I go live every day 9:30 to 10:30. Yeah, I am. I am. And that's fine. I wonder if they're going to go fill that little sliver. I'd be fine with that waiting. Oh, did that one hit a trail?
Order filled.
I need to turn this volume down.
Order filled.
What was that? Oh, that was YM. YM Waves had another win on a long. Hold on, I gotta mute this. All right. Oh, very nice, very nice. Ooh, I just hit there on those micros again. I took a few micros short at 420. Let me tell her I also sometimes use the 175, but it's fine if you need to go in. Yeah, NQ early isn't a short, correct. And as I said before, I'm fine with it. NQ early is in a short. We just gotta get back under 400. It keeps going to like 404, 402. I don't know if it wants to go fill the rest of this. Was this literally like 1 or 2 points? That would be the only thing. It's like 2 points. We're gonna just stay under 20 and then get back under 400. '20's doing its job, but we gotta get under 400. Come on, 400. So YM on Waves, which is a premium algorithm, is green $400 on the day. So it had 2 trades. All right, back to 402. YM Waves is 2 for 2 so far today for $400. Well, yeah, that's fine. That's fine, Chris. Practice, practice. Oh my gosh. You see, every time it's going to this 402, it comes back up to 20. We need to break 400. Break 400. Thursday. Didn't I tell you Thursday's the hardest day? Break 400. Everyone needs to just like sit on NQ and push her down. Break 400. There we go. We got 400. Now we're at 99. Now we're at 97. Now we're at 94. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Drop, drop. We gotta stay under this 400, y'all. This is like the 4th time it's tried to go down to this 402. All right, 400, 99. Come on, break 95, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92. Go, go, go. Drop, 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 drop. There you go, there you go, there you go. Drop, 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 drop. Go. There you go. 87. Keep going. 84, 83, 82. Keep going. Keep going. We want more. We want more of that. We want more of that. Drop, drop. 85. Come on. 82. Keep going. Listen, we need to get back down to 21, okay? We're at 82. We got to break this 80 area. The 75, the low it went before was 68. So we got to break 75 and then that's 68. Come on. You can do it. Drop, 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 drop. There we go. 78. 78. 77, 76. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 73, 72. We're back to entry almost on NQ early. We got to drop. We got to drop a little more. Come on. Come on. Give me 60. 72, 71, 70. Come on, NQ.
Target filled.
Yeah! All right, I need some eggs in the fucking chat. If y'all don't spam the chat with eggs, I'm gonna be so mad at y'all. Spam the chat with eggs. The regular chat, the YouTube chat, the TikTok chat. I want all the eggs. Who got that second short? Who got that short? There's not volatility, Lysandra. This is not volatility. This is not volatility. Andon said, you're not leaving me anymore. Laura got it on micros. Listen, we're down to 60. This is what I do. This is what I do. She's like calling a horse race. Yeah, because I know what I'm doing. And if you want more information on the digital
Order
mentorship,
submitted.
you should email me or ask Amy if you're already in the group. Because
Target filled.
we took the short. Something else just hit target. We took the short at 420. We took the short at 420. We're now 60 points in the green. And this happened twice. Before it went to 70. So 50 points in the green on the first trade. 60 points in the green on the second trade. I was washing my cat and missed it. Wilson said BB Algo rules. Chopstone play, fire. It's always fire. Every single day. Thanks, Alex. I did. I got the second short. Nice job, Chris. That was awesome. LP with the eggs in the chat. Nice job. Nice job. Andon said he missed the first one because it was late, and I said, stop getting in late. You're my girl. Made lots of money. I'm out for the day. Nice job, John A. Love to see it. Make sure you post in results and then have a great day. And at this point, it's still dropping. This is the exact student play that played out. Whoa, 13 accounts now, Lauren, ready to be PAs. Nice, nice, nice. So, are people posting in chat also that, oh, look at all of these little eggs. Nice eggs. You guys don't know, most of the time BoldBot controls the market. Lauren confirmed. NQ Knight 1 for 1. ES Knight 1 for 1. NQ Early 1 for 1. ES Early 1 for 1. Right, ES didn't have a second trade. Oh, no, I can't. What am I saying? Oh, wait, NQ Early is 2 for 2. What am I talking about? NQ Early is 2 for 2. I think I just had that second one a second ago. 2 for 2. Let's go. I'm going to put this in the announcement channel. So if you have any questions, please put them in chat. My members will probably be willing to answer them as Jen is not around today, or I can answer them. Nice job, Ted. Eggs and bacon. That's all we want. Please hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube. I specifically don't turn commercials on. I just ask for you to give the thumbs up once per stream. YM on Bold. Waves is green, $400. ES overnight was $250 on the premium zones. And Q overnight on zones was green, $50. ES on range overnight was 120. Was 125. ES early was also for me 125. Gold was green, one trade, $250. I did not run gold live, but it did have a trade and it hit target. That was right here. And Q is 2 for 2 on the early range. So it had a short here, and then it just had another immediate short right after that. And then NQ Night was 1 for 1 for $50. So far on the day, I'm up $710 on the standard algorithms. And I manually traded over here on my PA for $700. $676 on my PA account. Y'all, this drop is still happening. This is the student play. The first one was 50 points. The second one is still going and almost at our first major target, which is 320, which is 100 points. Do you understand? This is 100 points. That's $2,000 per mini if you are a digital mentorship student and you join the call and you just listen. You just listen. That's correct, Alla. There's like 1 or 2 points left. Made approximately $500 so far. My first live night morning trades. Nice job. Did R2Y go off yet? No, because remember R2Y is like long only, so no, it's at the bottom region of the box. No R2Y trades. All right, people are posting in the results channel. Student play for the win. Not that many
Order
though.
submitted.
I want to see all of these. YM Waves is in a new overnight trades. Chris, hell yeah, overnight trades. Monica, ESNQ night. Remember, if you want the free week of premium, if you have to obviously already be in my group, you have to post your results. You have to have a picture. You have to be posting your setups in the chat every night for the next week. That picture looks horrible. We'll see if YM wants to turn this back around. Why the second VPS? No, most people wouldn't even be able to have it because you can't have two machines. I have it because I'm just overloading my systems, and so I have a second one. I'm just running way too many things, so that's why. The only scalper of mine that's traded so far was the YM Pink, and that's green $120, and that's for standard members too. So it took 2 trades. I had 1 small loss and then 1 win. Good job, Andon. I'm proud of you. Make sure you tap that screen, hit that thumbs up. I appreciate it. Santa, MNQ snatched up a good run. Oh, really? Yeah, somebody else posted that, I think, in YouTube, that Santa had a nice run. Laura's helping me out on these. Oh, also, FYI, another person signed up for the Vegas workshop yesterday. So I think I'm down to 7 spots now. And I had like 2 or 3 other people show interest this week. So if they sign up, I'll keep you guys updated. But as of right now, there's 7 spots left. I think I said it before. What are the price ranges? What do you mean? Oh, of using the algorithms? Is that what you're asking? Back tease? So if you're brand new to the group, you can try the standard algorithms for $500. So it's $500 for 21 days. That's also in the informational email. If you email me, I'll send you, and that's where the discounted link is. It's not on my website anywhere. You have to actually email me to get the discounted link. So $500 for 21 days. Then it's $1,000 every month after that. If you're a returning algo member, you don't get the discounted trial. It's just $1,000 to come back. Then if you want to do premium is $1,500 a month, so it's $500 more per month than the other plan, but it's so worth it. Like if you were just running YM today, you're already up $400. Or if you ran the overnight setups, ES zones made $250 and NQ zones made $50, so that's $300 extra overnight, and then $400 this morning, so that's $700 in one session using the premium algorithms. So they definitely cover the difference in cost. We need some eggs on here, Laura, and some apples. Laura does a great job on these emojis. Sounds like it really does. Can you run it on a MacBook? Yes, you can, but you need the VPS, which is also in the informational email. So in the informational email, it tells you if you're going to use a cash account, it's like 1, 2, 3, the things you need to have before signing up, because there's no point in signing up for the algorithms if you can't use them yet. And then if you're going to use an Apex account, remember Apex is doing a 90% sale right now. So you can get a $50,000 account, which is identical to a cash account, other than you don't have access to the money. Like you can't take the $50,000 out. It's not in your possession at any point in time. But it's a $50,000 account for $17 using the coupon code SAVE90. They're doing a sale for another week and a half. It started 2 days ago. So go to Apex Trader Funding. I can show you on here, and you can get as many accounts as you want. There's a lot of other prop firms that only let you have 2 to 3 accounts. Apex allows you to have up to 20 accounts. So apextraderfunding.com, APEX, and then you go to sign up and it will take you to the bottom. The most popular, all of these plans are 90% off, but the most popular one in my group is the $50,000 plan. You can pass the evaluation very quickly. Some people pass it within 1 day. Some people it can take 7 to 10 days. But regardless, it's only a $3,000 profit goal. Once you hit that, you then have a fully funded account. So you pay $17 for this account, like it says 167, and it's not monthly. You pay it once, $17, and as long as you pass within 30 days, you don't get charged again. Now the monthly is in regards to if you didn't pass within 30 days, but I don't know if I have anyone in my group that has not passed evaluation within 30 days. So I always tell people to just kind of ignore this. It's $17 for the account. Either you're going to pass or you're going to bust. Like, those are the options. And if you bust, you lost $17. So it's not really a big thing. Yes, so the VPS is $50 a month. So you would purchase the VPS, which is $50 a month, and then that would be on your Mac, and then you would open up the VPS. And I have a VPS, like I'm using a PC right now, but I have a VPS on my computer. So this is my normal background of my PC, and this is my VPS. So I even use the VPS on my PC because you're going to get a really strong internet connection. You're going to get a really strong, if my power goes out at home, it's not going to affect my trading software. If my internet goes out at home, it's not going to affect it because it's all being ran on the VPS. And again, it's $50 a month, so it's not pricey, and it's totally worth it. Plus, if you don't have the VPS, you can't. Number one, you can't use it on Mac computers if you don't have a VPS because NinjaTrader is a PC desktop app only. Excuse me. And then if you don't have the VPS, but say you have a PC at home like I do, you can't look at this anywhere else. It can only be viewed on that one PC or that one machine. So if I'm on the go, I can't see it on my phone. But with a VPS, you can. If I'm on vacation, I can't take my laptop and see it on the go because it's attached to this computer. But with the VPS, you can see everything on your phone, on your iPad, on a laptop, on your work computer, on your buddy's computer. So the VPS is great for sure. Any guidance on how to set the VPS to check on your phone? Oh yeah, they send you an email when you first get set up. They send you an email, but it's just an application called Remote Desktop Connection, and that's how you connect here too. It's on every PC, but it's called Remote Desktop Connection. Oh, I was going to show you, but I forgot I have it in the other corner. And it's an app. It's kind of like it's orange. It's an orange-ish app with like two white arrows or like I call them arrows. They don't have tails, but I use RD Client on my phone. Yeah, that's the same thing. So RD stands for Remote Desktop Boss. So RD Client is probably the true name, and I'm just blanking right now. Greater than, less than. With what, Milo? But yeah, so you would just download that app, and then you put in, so when you get your credentials for the VPS, they give you an IP address and then a password, and that's how you would access. Oh yes, greater than, less than, for sure. Yes, exactly. So you're using remote desktop to get into the VPS.
Order submitted.
No matter
Target filled.
where you're getting in. Was that on YM Zones? I think that was YM Zones. Yeah, it was. Yeah, no matter where you're connecting, it's going to be with a remote desktop. But I guess the app has like a different name. I did it from my iPad. I need you to have a little better skills there. Tim... Oh, Chris is posting. All right, Tim and Andon, we didn't focus on him yet. Student play on MNQ for a little while longer. Nice job. $40 on all of his accounts. Very nice. Moonshine. Still some work to do. Bottom one needs to be about $1,400 last day of eval. Oh, not far off. His child, this is a funny story, which I'm sure he's okay if I tell it. He left his VPS open yesterday, and his child went and started touching the mouse and trading on his accounts, and one of his accounts ended up red because of it. Like, listen, if y'all have cats, like, I can't stand cats, but if you have cats, I don't know what it is with cats jumping on things and then walking across your keyboard. There's no reason, if you're done trading for the day, you need to close the VPS. No one should be able to be mistakenly trading for you and having, access to your account. Tim, done for the day. I'm not giving it back. Student call plus the algos. I'll take it. BoldBot for the win. $600 across all of his accounts. Nice job, Tim. And these are all PA accounts. Like, Tim is killing it. We need some eggs. We need some apples. I feel like my mouse is kind of going slow today. I might need to put new batteries in it. Chris, top is sim on manual. Student play is fire. Algo is money in the bank. Nice job, Chris. $500 to $800 across all of his accounts. Yeah, lock that, right, Brett? Like, lock it. Lock it, shut it off, do something. Somebody said that yesterday. They were like, Control L is your friend. I believe the code is save now. Yeah, it's save 90. Save 90 always works. I used save 90 the other day when I got some. Save 90 works. So they might be doing, they might have another code that also works, but save, whatever, you can always put in save 90, and whatever their best deal is at that time, they'll give you that. So literally just always put save 90. And then it comes out to be $16.70. My son did the same, but it was on sim. Yeah. Get the hell out of here. If my child comes to my computer, I'm like, let me close everything. And they're like, well, I want the calculator. I'm like, here's the calculator, but let me close everything else, because you're not going to, even like on Slack, like he would go and just start like doing stuff. No, thank you. We don't need that. Oh, Mike, you're so late. Mike. We missed the student call today. I adjusted the shop and it was posted above. Took the short under the daily level at 14,420. I love when I'm walking in Vegas and click RD client and see my winnings. Charlie, don't make me jealous. I want to be in Vegas right now, okay? Use Irma's code. She helped me out a lot. Oh, yeah. Help her out. Irma does have a code. She posted in announcements. I'm going to repost it now. It's a good reminder. Thank you. Y'all, oh my gosh. I didn't tell you guys. Hold on. I'm going to fix this. Irma's Apex code. I beat my friend yesterday at pickleball. I beat all 3 games. So we played for an hour. We always play for an hour. Santa's in a long for $250. I beat all 3 games. Oh, Saturday you're there? Oh, yeah. I'm jealous. All right, I reposted Irma's code so people can use it. Kyle posted. Green on all evals, rest sim, swag. I really need to get the copy trader because I end up just like trading on one account. My office is off limits with the door closed. I have a zoo at my house and have had issues with the keyboard walking before. Michael, that's hilarious. Michael has several cats. They're everywhere. Oh, yeah, and no, I can actually delete this because that actually didn't work out. So you can buy it from Ninja Trader. It's a one-time payment of $150. So then you don't have to set up 20 strategies. You could just set up one account, and then that account copies whatever trades it takes to all of your other accounts. Now, that's not great when it comes to diversifying. So you can actually choose multiple setups, I think, on the copy trader. So you could say Apex account number 1 is going to run X, Y, and Z, and I want it to then copy those trades onto these other 5 accounts. And then you can choose Apex account number 6, and I want it to run these other setups, and I want it to copy on account number, 7 through 10 or something like that. But I've heard the one at the one at Apex is not as good as the Replicento. There's a whole thread about it in the Apex channel, Charlie, and you've been in the group too long now to not have seen this. It's right here, Trade Copier. So go here, you can ask some questions, see what people think. You can also use it on manual trades. So if you say, I'm manually trading off of account B follow those to all of these other accounts, then it would do that. Yeah. You called Kyle grouchy pants, and I am not grouchy. I think that was actually really nice. Lowe's honing her skills for Vegas. That was actually very nice, Charlie. Look, and now Kyle's like, what? Yeah, me too. I don't get that copy trader. So yeah, you can get the one. It's $150, I think, on either website. So if you do it on Apex, it's $150. If you do it on Replicento, I think it's also $150. But you only need one. I've heard people say that they don't really like the Apex one, and more people prefer the Replicento. But again, go ask in the thread. Trading doesn't take vacations. Absolutely not. Good. I'm going to expect that like every time now. Thanks for the likes, guys. There can only be one Charlie. No. Well, the Charlie above you was here before you, Charlie, so you might want to change your name. It's 10:11. I'll stay on for a little while longer. Charlie's trying to send roses to be the only Charlie. Charlie said I'm the OG Charlie. I don't know if we ever had any Charlies before y'all. Oh, okay. Good, Mike. Okay, then I can delete this. When is Charlie? See, well, and hello, Charlie Main is a student. The other Charlie is not, and he just joined. So, listen, Charlie, you got to at least get on the student level before you can start saying that you're the only Charlie. So Apex is doing a 90% sale. This short is now 120 points from the student call. The Battle of the Charlies, right? Exactly. Exactly, Kenny. That's the bait. All right. I have to finish packing. I really hope I didn't forget anything. I'm going to do the student call tomorrow, but I'm not doing the live stream. Jen is going to be live tomorrow morning. Also, Jen is not live this afternoon. Jen is going to be live tonight at 8:30. Thanks. Look at Charlie just keeps sending roses to try to win me over. Remember, Jen will be live. Charlie. Jen will be live at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. Jen will be live, and then Jen will be live tomorrow morning, 9:30 to 10:30, and then she'll be live tomorrow afternoon. If you forget anything, just buy it. Yeah, I know, but I don't like to do that. I like to just be prepared. So I just have to think with my brain, and then I'll be okay. I made my live goal. Thank you, Charlie. All because of you. They lost luggage in August for a few days. Yeah, I don't ever check bags unless I have to. Like if I'm going somewhere with a large suitcase, I always just take a carry-on. So I will be taking carry-on, and that I don't even like waiting in baggage claim. At least at my home airport, they're the worst. Now I know other airports are actually really quick. Like where I'm going is actually really quick and efficient. But at home, it's so bad. Good excuse to get new clothes. Take the laptop and meds and then carry on. Well, yeah, that's a good idea. For sure. Sometimes you think things with your brain. What are those things? I feel like, oh, LP and I are on the same. Yeah, I don't enjoy checking bags. But if it's a long trip and I have to, then I will. But yeah. All right, so I'm going to wrap it up. I got a good pineapple story yesterday, Dr. Jones. Sadly, it wasn't from you. Okay, back to the real world for the day. Have a good rest of the day. You too, Charlie. All right, it's 10:15. I'm going to go finish packing and get my laptop together and stuff. Remember, I will have the student call tomorrow. We're still in this short. This short was amazing for the students. We took the short out of 420 twice. It went to 370 first for 50 points. The second trade has dropped over 100 points. So congrats to my students that got those. NQ night was 1 for 1. NQ early was 1 for 1. ES night was 1 for 1. ES early was 1 for 1. Oh, actually, NQ early was 2 for 2. I don't know why I keep forgetting about that. NQ early was 2 for 2. It had 2 shorts. And yeah, why I'm missing this long, it's red, but it already had 2 green trades on the day for 400, so we'll see if the market wants to push back up here in a bit. And I think that's it. Oh, gold had a short, and that was a win. RTY did not take any trades today so far. And no other scalper trades either. I heard Santa did well, but I wasn't running Santa, so. All right, have a good day. Have a good weekend since I won't talk to you guys tomorrow. Jen will be live 9:30 to 10:30 tomorrow. Jen will be live tonight, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on TikTok only. So make sure you follow us on TikTok. And then we'll be live tonight and tomorrow twice. And I'll be hosting the student call tomorrow. And remember, Apex is doing a 90% sale for another week and a half. So make sure you grab those accounts using the Save 90 coupon. And you can get a $50,000 account for $17. Have a good Thursday. Thanks for joining. I appreciate it. And be safe. Bye. Bye, YouTube.